What is the least common multiple of 2 and 3? In order to find the least common multiples of two numbers, you need to list out as many multiples that you can think of those numbers until you find numbers that match. So let's write out a bunch of multiples of 2. Remember, a multiple is what you get when you multiply this number by a whole number. So the first multiple of 2 is 2. I'm not going to write that out. But 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 5 is 10. And let's do one more. 2 times 6 is 12. So let's find out a bunch of multiples for 3. Let's do 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 4 is 12. Wait a minute. Hold on. The least common multiple is the first multiple in common between these two groups. So I don't have to go any further. In fact, I went way too far already by doing all of these. I already have a 6 and a 6 in common right here. So my least common multiple, sometimes called the LCM, is going to be 6 because it's the smallest common multiple in common in both groups.